Today we're going to try something just a little different. Today I'm going to show you the Xebec Tri-Screen 2 in action on both a Windows laptop and a MacBook. Come on, let's go. So first up, we're going to try my Framework laptop. I've already got the Tri-Screen 2 here. Simply just going to open the screen. Attach and drop down the little kickstand. And then we need to choose our cables. Now I put a USB-C port on either side of here. So all we need are two USB-C cables here. Another here. And then for good measure, I'm plugging in a USB-C charger here, which should pass through to the computer. That's it. That is working. We can pull website over here. Pull up Twitter over here. You can pull up OBS over here. Everything's set up and ready to go. And the computer doesn't appear to be charging. That's neat. I'll have to figure that out. So the computer's not pass-through charging there. Oh, there it is. Doesn't like that at all. Let's try the other screen and see what happens. I'll be right back. So it turns out that here, I'm trying to use a USB-C power cable that is not quite powerful enough to charge the laptop and power the Xebec Tri-Screen 2. Use our stock Framework charger and see if that makes any difference. Now, according to Xebec's website, they do have fast charging, because it's quite obvious you're going to be using up all your lightning cable ports for this. Recharging. So there we go. The other charger just wasn't powerful enough. But that's the setup for a framework laptop. You have two lightning cables going into each one of the monitors, and then only if you need it, a power supply for the laptop to charge itself. Now, I'm going to show you what it's like on this MacBook, which is not an M1. It's one of the Intel processors, probably from like 2018, 2019. So we're going to check that out. There. Close the frame and get it out of the way. Now this one's a little bit different because all of the USB-C cables are over here. So if we want to charge the Mac, we definitely have to, once again, use our charger. And we'll need the USB-C extension cable, which is included. We've got the same two cables that we used in the framework, plus one extension cable, and then our charging cable. Let's see if that charges the MacBook as well. And once again, I didn't have to do anything for the computer. The cables, just plugging the cables in, have made the monitor work here to here, but not the third one. Let's see what we can do about that. Rearrange them. Thusly. And now we've got them completely backwards. Now we've got displays going across all three screens. The small form factor would allow you to set this up pretty much anywhere to have a 3-monitor setup. Everything folds up, goes into a backpack, and the cables can be put back in their plastic bags or just put in the backpack along with everything else. They do include other adapters for HDMI to mini HDMI. There's 2 of those, as well as USB-C to USB-A. So this should work on pretty much any laptop that has those type cables. The Xebec Tri-Screen 2's compact size and the ability to fold the screens in and out make this an ideal device for someone who travels a lot. I don't know if I could recommend this device for someone who works in one space, as you could easily do what I do, which is have a docking station and 2 monitors, or even a giant monitor. But if you are someone who travels a lot, this might be a really good idea for you. Each one of the Xebec Tri-Screen 2's displays are an aspect ratio of 1920 by 1200. This provides a clear but kind of small environment for you to do work on. If I were going to use this on a day-to-day basis out and about, I would probably have my work chat clients on either side, or email or something like that that I could browse while doing my main work on the main laptop screen. Another factor in whether or not you should or should not purchase this is the price. Xebec has the Tri-Screen 2 priced out at $499 right now, which, if you take into effect you are getting 2 extra screens in a compact form factor that's easily packed into a backpack and is perfect for travel, then is not a bad deal in my opinion. Now, Xebec did not sponsor this video, but I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. So if you are interested in picking up one of these devices, please do so through the link. It would help the channel out just a little bit. As always, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is Reviews for Nerds. Have a great day.